Alright guys, so last night I found an S10 for 800 bucks OBO. The guy just came to the shop, but I was the only one here. And I looked at it and I got him down to 600 bucks. Apparently he said the cat is worth 700. We'll see about that, but I'm gonna just buy the whole truck. Runs and drives. I drove it around, and yeah, we're going there right now. I gotta go to the bank first, pull the money out, and then we're gonna go and buy the truck. $600 beans, dude. The lady in there was like, do you want it in 20, 50s, or 100? I was like, I don't want 20. She's like, yeah, 20s are junk.
Oh my god, dude. Why are people hating on 20s, dude?
I'm just kidding, I made that up.
Oh, I was about to say, what the
20s
dude?
Are for fucking peasants.
Nah,
runs
dude.
around flexing 20s.
20s are fire, dude. You could like get fucking McDonald's and with 20s.
Nah, dude, I told her I'm a Bitcoin millionaire. No, just kidding.
I was about to say, she'd be like, why do you have a bank account here then? Only the real OGs, dude. No bank account at all, dude.
Yeah, but it's nice to have some money in the bank where you can just like Stop and Shop is meant because it's all the time. These tires.
Put it on 22 by 12s, dude. Copy Nate.
Should I?
Yeah. Bro knows it.
It's really not in bad condition, dude. Oh, it looks like maybe that cab now. It's fucking blown out.
Alright, so he just bought it. 600 bucks. I'm gonna follow him home.
I forgot to get the key, you know what I mean?
Oh my god. Something's squealing like a piggy on that thing. Maybe a front brake or something. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but for 600 bucks, you can't go wrong running and driving S10. Manual, 2-wheel drive, 2.2. It's got all the right stuff to last a really long time. I hear that squealing or whatever. It's mad loud,
yeah,
dude.
It's the front pads. The rotors look pretty shitty, but it's not like grinding. It's just like. So I'm just gonna give it like pad slap the front. But it runs and drives fine. It's definitely a $600 truck.
All right, well we gotta bring the plate back.
Yeah,
and we gotta go fill up the Focus real quick.
Yeah, I think I want to register it today too.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna call my insurance real quick and like.
Okay.
Put it on and then we can just register it.
Sick.
I'm getting on insurance, dude. Pay 400 bucks a fucking month. That's fucking outrageous.
I don't even know what to say.
Like, who decides these fucking numbers?
I don't even. I think they just like put your shit into like a roulette wheel and then they like make some shit up.
Literally a 91 240, a 94 Legacy, a 97 S10, and a fucking 05 RV that gets driven fucking twice a year. But damn, dude, that shit go hard. They do go hard, you know what I mean?
It does.
I literally fucking hate all things human, dude. It's like, holy f***, people are
Yeah, I don't know how much of that
like,
we could use.
what the f*** is this person even on about? You come to Stop and Shop and sit on your tailgate with your f***ing dogs?
Jeez, AJ's pissed, dude.
This f***ing world, dude, it's fucking 400 bucks a month.
Yeah, I was about to say, this is all because Geico gave you the most obnoxious quote I've ever heard.
They ruined my day.
You literally have DUI pricing. Jeez, dude. AJ is literally hurt.
I'm fucking pissed.
I could tell. Alright, this is the registration place.
There's another place where you just get straight
I was about to say, we'll see how this goes and if his mood changes.
$250 to register a fucking $300 truck. Fucking pile of shit, this world. Where's my fucking papers? Piece of shit.
Uh-oh. What's the deal?
I'm just steady getting
Yeah, but what happened this time?
I need a Q1 form because I don't have a title, and they stopped doing it at 3:30.
Oh, man. That's just negligence, dude.
Do you know what time it is?
No.
3:30.
Oh.
On the dot.
Finessed. Sorry, bud.
I'm fucking done.
Yeah, not your day today,
I'm
man.
gonna just fucking go home.
Not your day today.
If this has the stock cat on it, the S10 does.
Let's check right when we get back. We gotta fuel this thing up. It's literally empty. Passenger. This is our spot, dude. This is the cheapest spot in town, believe it or not. $3.05 a gallon.
E30 clutch came in. I'll probably put that on today. And maybe bolt the tranny up. I gotta get a starter for it. But at least the clutch came in. It was pretty quick. I ordered it like 2 days ago. And it came from Cali. And it was, I mean, priority shipping, dude. You know what I mean?
All right, moment of truth.
Oh, I don't know, bud.
Does it look stock?
It looks crusty. Would you say that's stock?
I can't see it. I can't tell, dude. It's that right there, right?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm not the cat guy. I have no clue what I'm looking at.
They definitely added this pipe. I mean, the flange looks stock. It looks like they put new bolts.
Looks like they might have welded the flange though. See, look at the...
Maybe. I don't know where the code would be on this thing. It's 4,200 pounds. 42. You think that this is f***ing safe for the lift, bud?
If I know, dude. There's only one way to find out. How sketchy do you want to get?
Tips. We'll just jump on and hold it.
I'm about to just unbolt it.
And take it all, like literally look. Gotta do what you gotta do. If the cat is literally worth what you paid for the truck.
I'm just gonna cut it off and straight pipe it.
Oh my god. What if it's only worth $10? You're gonna go through all that work.
I don't know. Here we fucking go, eh?
Oh no, you gotta do it upside down. Oh!
I saw it.
That was almost a disaster. Is it the $10 cat, dude?
Is there anything in it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that thing's mint. Looks aftermarket as can be.
It kind of does.
You think that's worth $650, pal?
I don't know, you know?
Yeah, look good. Looks real good. Those flanges, OEM. Look at them.
What do you
Never
think, bud?
molested.
I definitely have to have
Oh, come on.
Still, look at old blue. This thing's nice.
There's no cat code on it, dude.
the AutoZone special, dude. It might not even be. It might be Amazon.
You can see right through it.
It's because the honeycomb's good, dude.
Yeah, because the honeycomb's good. That's why. So, what's the plan for this thing?
Well, now it's got a giant exhaust leak.
I say we start her up.
You might as well.
Oh yeah, carburetor.
Kind of sounds like a Miata.
2.4?
Sounds like a V8 missing a
What
couple.
motor is it? 4-cylinder on this thing?
This thing just snapped off. Did you hear that? Well,
You can patch this up. A little bit of ramen.
well, I think I just made $10, dude.
It's better than nothing.
This thing's gotta be worth at least 15.
Things, cat's worth $10.
It's literally an Amazon cat, dude.
How do you know?
Look at it.
It looks OEM, dude.
I wouldn't have even cut it off, dude. You yourself. I would have just looked at that weld and been like, oh, look at that.
Yeah, but what if they just, you know what I mean?
Nope.
What if it just... What if it just rotted and then they put it back on?
No shot. Is there a number on it, dude?
Yeah, get the cat quote off it.
That's what they look like stock, dude. That's it.
There's no way
That's
that's
literally
stock.
not it.
Yeah.
Come on.
That's like the AutoZone special replacement.
The 3-bolt flange. Look at it. The bolts
All
are
of,
new.
all of that for what, dude? You can't even put this thing on the lift. It's too heavy, dude.
Yes, you can. It's only 4,200 pounds.
This thing's too heavy, dude.
This is gonna be the new drift rig. Yeah, I think you drift this better drift than a 240.
Now it's loud for no reason.
No, now it's mint.
It sounds like
And you can't weld it on because we don't
Listen.
have gas.
a bottle of nitrous right to the bed
Wait,
of this thing
I got
is gonna
gas.
be sick.
We're gonna go see what my cat's worth. It's probably worth $10.
we're going right to the scrapyard, dude. I feel bad for you if it's worth only $10, dude. At least if you get like 100 for it, it was worth your time to like weld another pipe in place.
Yeah, but if they tell me they think it's OEM,
will he know?
I don't know. Like, is there a way to test it?
I have no idea. You're the cat guy here.
I don't know. Usually I just go off of numbers, but there's no numbers on it.
Well, I guess we're about to find out, right, boys? As you could see, this Acura has Damien's favorite style livery on it. He's really gonna like that car. They closed at 5. Alright, so we found a guy, or Damien found a guy that's gonna take the cats. AJ's got a couple cats from a previous endeavor. So, allegedly Damien's about to get rich though.
Yeah.
Because he parked back here, I was like, there's no way this guy's...
I said legacy wagon, and he found us immediately.
How's it going?
Buddy has a couple here.
Yeah, I have
don't
a
know.
couple strand cats. I don't know if you... Yeah, these two are definitely both happening. And then...
What was it, Subaru?
Yeah.
The flinch.
The downpipe.
Those are 20 a piece if you.
Yeah, that's fine.
They don't even fill them all the way, you know?
Yeah, this is the one that he got off the S10.
Yeah.
That's aftermarket too.
That's what we thought he was just gonna go to the scrapyard with him, but since we're coming here, you know.
You need 20 for that one too?
This is the good one.
This is the alright one.
This is the this is. I think I gave you 600 on this.
Yeah. 7. I think 750 for that one, but just,
Oh, it's only
shit here,
you know, what, a couple of hours, maybe
Yeah.
3. With the traffic.
fuck all that, dude. Drive all the way over there.
Is that the shop?
What is happening?
Just revving it.
Oh, it's an old shitbox car. Motor or something. It's literally an old ass like square headlight CBR. It's gonna get the small wheels out for you. You know what I mean?
Don't spend it all in one place.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, man.
How much
guys.
do you give for actual super downpipe?
9 to 1400.
Alright.
They went down a little bit.
Yeah.
Still, you know.
I was getting like 1,300 for them.
depending on the numbers on them, you know. But on average, the cheaper ones are 9. The better ones 14 and a half. Some of them maybe still 16.
Well, I got to go to AutoZone now and grab a pipe to put on the S10 and take some pictures and post it up for $1,200.
Damien, did you get rich or what?
Oh yeah, dude. You know what I mean? Freaking.
Let's see the fruits of your labor.
It was $600 for the downpipe from my buddy Kyle's car, cause like he paid me to do that job, but also he was like, you could keep the cat and just whatever you make off that, cool. I'm like, all right, sick. So it was $600 for that and $200 for the one I took off my 240.
Nice.
So that just paid for my ISR, dude.
There you go.
I have many turn around. Where?
Literally looking for a place to turn around and can't find one.
Dude, if you can make it in and out of that, you can make it in the Dairy Queen.
Should I try it?
Yeah. You'd be fine, dude. Damien wants Dairy Queen.
You know what I mean? Since I'm rich now.
Yeah. Damien will be the only one getting Dairy Queen. Yeah. Oh my god, every single person in line just fucking looked. Is that sick or embarrassing?
It's kind of embarrassing.
I thought you got the classic chicken. Oh, you got double stacks?
What is that?
I don't know. Saw it on the sign, so I got it, dude. I like this dude's mullet.
This
though.
dude's balling, dude.
You know what I mean? We.
Side.
Oh my god! Dude, I felt it literally get stuck. The only thing that saved you was your momentum and all-wheel drive.
Yeah, it did like a board slide.
Yeah, you literally beached it for like a half a second.
I don't think this is long enough.
I don't know. That's probably good, right?
Like, this is so expensive here. Should I just get it at Walmart?
I don't know how much it is there either.
Hey, what happened to your car guy?
R134.
I'll get 2 of them. It's good.
I'll grab it. Just go that way.
Just go that way.
With this, I'm gonna go that way.
Just go that way, dude.
I gotta go to the hooker store.
Just go that way, dude. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't at least a little bit nervous about this.
Why?
I don't know, dude. All the comments of we're gonna die or whatever. The lift's gonna go through the floor. Is this the heaviest thing we've had on here?
What do you think is heavier, this or Kyle's BMW?
Ooh, that BMW seems pretty heavy, right?
It's a 4-door German car, so. What's gonna happen?
It goes through the floor? I don't know. What would happen?
I don't know.
The lift itself gives out or the floor gives out? What comes first?
Someone in the comments knows the answer.
You're right.
We don't.
It's gonna be a 13-year-old kid.
This is so sketchy.
What's sketchy?
It's pretty
It
sketchy.
literally isn't even bouncing. The only thing that could be sketchy is the mounting points, or you put it on there. Oh yeah, look at that. You can see the friggin' diameter of like. Oh my god. The friggin' like where they put the new pipe in there. Yay! Look, I'm walking under the piston. Check it out, eh? Whoa, dude. This is figure 8. Walking under the lift. Truck lift figure 8. see that coming.
Is this the new spot, dude?
I don't know, dude. We'll see. You know what I mean? Sean City Smoke, dude.
Yeah, dude, this is the spot. Torrington, Connecticut. Tell them that the YouTube guys sent you.
They'll hook you up, dude.
Yeah, I don't know why. This is the wobbliest thing we've put up there. Yeah, I definitely hear the exhaust leak.
Like the exhaust smell. Why do certain cars' exhaust smell different? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like certain, if I could smell a Z. Like they just smell different. Why? Whoa! Told you, any head fits, dude. You know, you buy 2 cans. Might as well use them.
It's definitely pretty cold now. That's not bad.
I'm gonna hop in the driver's seat because I'm the driver, and I'm gonna see how she feels.
I mean, dude, that's pretty cool.
It's also kind of cold out tonight, though.
Should we try and do a burnout and see if it's got a posse, dude?
I don't know about all that.
She's got a posse, dude?
Maybe fix the brakes first?
You want to buy a mint S10? Huh?
$300 right now in my pocket.
Yeah, right.
If I pick up the rear end of that, can you smoke it?
I could probably do a burnout as is.
$300 if it doesn't burn out right now. He don't got that kind of money, trust me.
Oh, man. The boss dude exposing his employees.
This thing can't tow a air compressor in the bed, dude.
It's not doing a dirt bike. The brakes are shot.
Park right back out back, you know what I mean? Should I just park it? Yeah, I'm gonna park it out back. Take the whole plate off of the guy, you know? It's kind enough to let us drive it home on it. Alright guys, so I got the S10 today. Wasn't really planning on it, but I saw the deal, so I bought it. I kind of think I'm just gonna flip it. I might start getting back into the flipping cars.
Investment car stuff?
Yeah, like buy, sell. If that's something you guys want to see on the channel, put it in the comments. Even if you don't want to see it and I do it, it's going to be in anyways, so I don't really care. I just want you guys to feel like, you know, you're my friend and whatnot. This thing smells like coolant. Yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys. Follow the Facebook, follow BS Gaming, follow Bad Species on Instagram. P.O. Box is in the description below. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.